New Mexico LLC benefits. Why it's one of the best states for privacy and low cost. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a state to form your LLC that offers low cost, strong privacy, and simple compliance, let me introduce you to one of the most underrated options out there, the New Mexico LLC. While states like Delaware and Wyoming often steal the spotlight, New Mexico offers incredible benefits for small business owners, online entrepreneurs, and privacy-focused founders. In this video, we'll break down the top reasons to form a New Mexico LLC and how you can do it in minutes using busy.com without needing to live there. So click the link in the description to start your New Mexico LLC with Busy. They'll file everything for you, include your EIN, and help you stay compliant, fast, easy, and affordable. So let's go through the main reasons entrepreneurs love New Mexico. First, for the no annual reports criteria. Unlike most states, New Mexico doesn't require annual reports or ongoing renewal filings for LLCs. That means less paperwork and zero recurring compliance fees. Number 2, no annual franchise taxes. There is no annual franchise tax or state-level LLC tax. Once you pay the initial formation fee, you're done. No hidden costs or renewals. Number 3, high level of privacy. New Mexico allows anonymous LLC ownerships. Your name doesn't appear in public database, giving you maximum privacy, which is a huge win for people who want to protect their identity. Number 4, low formation cost. It only costs $50 to file a New Mexico LLC with the state, making it one of the most affordable states in the US to start a business. Last but not the least, no residency requirements. You don't have to live in New Mexico or even in the US to form an LLC here, which is perfect for international founders, remote workers, and digital nomads. So starting in 2024, all US LLC must file a BOI report. That is the beneficial ownership information with FinCEN. Even though New Mexico doesn't ask for your info publicly, the federal government still requires this filing. All the smart founders use Busy to form their New Mexico LLC because Busy offers $0 formation fee. You just have to pay $50 state fee. It offers free registered agent service for first year, and it also gives EIN and operating agreement that is included with the plan. Filing with Busy is totally flexible. If you don't want Busy to obtain your EIN and if you want to act as your own registered agent, then Busy offers options for that as well. There is anonymous ownership support and BOI compliance tracking and reminder. Whether you're starting an online business, holding real estate, or protecting your identity, Busy makes it simple. New Mexico offers everything a founder could want: low cost, privacy, and no annual headaches. So click the link in the description to start your LLC today with Busy. That's the end of today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.